Welcome to Brother Maxwell Dependable Maxwell Reeves mathematics tutorial. Are you prepared to solve plain geometric with Dependable Maxwell Reeves? If yes, then let's get started. AB is a straight line. W equal to half x plus y plus z. Find the value of W. We are asked to find the value of W in problem 1. But we are told that AB is a straight line. Since AB is a straight line, it means that the sum of all the angles that are found on line AB should be equal to 180 degrees. So therefore we have x plus y plus w plus z all should be equal to 180 degrees because we are told that AB is a straight line. So here, solution number 1. So we have angle x, angle y, angle w, and angle z that lies on AB. So we sum everything. So we know that angle on a straight line should be summed up to 180 degrees. So we have x plus y plus z plus w all equal to 180 degrees. We are asked to find the value of w. So we have to replace the value for x plus y plus z. Replacing x plus y plus z, then it makes life easier for us to find the value of w. And we are told that w is equal to half x plus y plus z. So we know that, so we say, but w is equal to half x plus y plus z. We need to eliminate the fraction. So we say 2 times w give us 2w equal to 1 times x plus y plus z give us x plus y plus z. We now find a replacement for x plus y plus z. So we can clearly see that x plus y plus z equal to 2w. So when we see x plus y plus z here, replace it by 2w. So we come back to our original equations that tell us that all the angles that lies on a straight line should sum up to 180 degrees. So we have x plus y plus z plus w equal to 180. But x plus y plus z is equal to 2w. So when we see x plus y plus z here, we'll be replacing it by 2w. So writing this, we have 2w plus w equal to 180. 2w plus w give us 3w. So we have 3w equal to 180 degrees. But we are asked to find the value of w. So therefore, we divide both sides by 3. We divide both sides by 3. So 3 times 3, we have w to be equal to 3 here, 1 times 3 here, 60 times. So w is equal to 60 degrees. So this is the value for w. So let us see questions number 2. Question 2 tells us that we should find the value of 6x. But this triangle given to us, we can clearly see that this side is equal to this side. Because the two sides on the triangle are equal, we consider this triangle to be an isosceles triangle. An isosceles triangle is a triangle whose two base angles are equal. So we know that the two sides are parallel or the two sides are equal. So therefore, since the angle here given to us is equal to 4x minus 20, it means that the angle from here will also be 4x minus 20. The reason is that because this triangle is an isosceles triangle. Now, we know that angle lies on a straight line should be equal to 180 degrees. So the sum of all the angles on a straight line should always be equal to 180 degrees. So we can see that angle 6x plus angle 4x minus 20 should be equal to 180 degrees. So here we have, so let's see here solution number 2. So we can see that we have 4x minus 20 plus 6x all equal to 180 degrees because they are angles that lie on a straight line. So here we reach at this point we collect latents. So we have 4x plus 6x are latents are minus 20 equal to 180 degrees. We can clearly see that 4x plus 6x we have 10x minus 20 to be equal to 180 degrees. We can send minus 20 across, the sign change from negative to positive. So we have 10x equal to 180 plus 20 degrees. So 180 degrees plus 20. So here we have 10x equal to 180 plus 20 give us 200. We are asked to find the value of 6x, but we need to find the value of x first before calculating the value of 6x. So here we won't make x to stand by itself. So divide both sides by 10, divide both sides by 10. So 10 cancel 10, we can see that x is equal to 10 here, 1 times 10 here, 20 times. So x is equal to 20 degrees. But we are not asked to find the value of x, rather we are asked to find the value of 6x. So we can clearly see that we have 6 times x. So 6 times, the value of x now is 20 degrees. So we have 6 times 20 degrees. So now we have 6 times 0, we have 0. 2 times 6, we have 12. So we have the value of 6x to be equal to 120 degrees. So this is our answer for question number 2. So let us see how we can solve question 3 and question 4. Now for question 3, we are asked to find the value of y. We can clearly see that y is an exterior angles. So we know that the exterior angles is equal to the sum of the two remote interior angles. So before we find the value of y, we need to find the angle at this point, and we also need to find the angle at this point, at point arrow. If we find the two angles, then we have made life extremely easier for us. So to do this, we know that the two lines are parallel. Because the two lines are parallel, we consider this line to be our transversals. When two parallel lines are cut by the transversals, alternate interior angles are equal. So here we can clearly see that if we find the angle at this point, it will make life easier for us to determine the angle at this point in the second triangle. Because the two angles share the same vertex, and vertical angles are always equal. And here, in this first triangle, we have 30 degrees at point Q, and we have 90 degrees at point P. This box indicates a right triangle, but the angle here is unknown. So we can try to represent the angle by any unknown variables. So here the angle here be x. So we need to find the value of x first. So we know that the sum of all the interior angles within the triangle should always sum up to 180 degrees. So here we have x plus 90 plus 30 or equal to 180 degrees. You can see this. Now we need to find the value of x here. So here we have x plus 90 plus 30 give us 120 equal to 180 degrees. We can clearly see that 120 will go across the equal sign. The sign will change from positive to negative. So doing this, we have x equal to 180 minus 120. Now we have x to be equal to, when we take 120 from in 180, we are left with 60 degrees. We have now determined, or we have calculated the value of x. So we know that the value of x here now is 60 degrees. And x shared or common vertex with this angle here. Vertical angles are always equal. So say x here is 60, it means the angle here is also 60 degrees. But we are told that the two lines are parallel. Because the two lines are parallel, it means that alternate interior angles are equal. Since this angle here is 90 degrees, this angle is or alternate interior angle to the angle at point arrow. So this angle is equal to the angle. So the angle at point P is equal to the angle at point arrow. So here since P is 90 degrees, our arrow will be the same as 90 degrees. Why? Because alternate interior angle are equal. So here now we have 60 degrees and we also have 90 degrees. And y is an exterior angles. The exterior angles is equal to the sum of the two remote interior angles. So therefore y is now equal to 60 plus 90. So we can see that y is equal to 60 degrees plus 90 degrees. Therefore we have y to be equal to 150 degrees. So this is the value for y or angle y. So let us see our fourth problem. In the fourth problem, we are told that in the diagrams, angle KLM equal to x. Yes, angle KLM is equal to x is already given in the diagram, and angle LMK is equal to y. Yes, angle LMK is equal to y is also given in the diagram, and angle KJ is equal to arrow here. Angle KJ is equal to arrow is given also, and angle KGF equal to 110 degrees. Angle KGF equal to 110 degrees. We are told that 2x equal to arrow equal to y. So therefore we can clearly see that arrow and y will be replaced or will be substituted by 2x. And we are asked to find the value of x. So let's see how we can solve this problem easily. The first and foremost thing is that it is advisable that we replace the value of or arrow and y by 2x to make life extremely easier for ourselves. So let's look here. So here, or when we see our arrow, we know that arrow will be replaced by 2x, and when we see y will also be replaced by 2x. So let's see how we can solve the problem easily. So to get started, let us name the unknown angle here, or let's say P. So here is angle P, or we can say at angle Y, angle H. So that form or angle MHG. So here we can see that angle solution number 4. Angle MHG now will be equal to angle MHG is serving as an exterior angle. So the exterior angle here is equal to the sum of the two remote interior angle. So considering this triangle, considering triangle LJH, so we can see that our angle MHG is equal to the sum of the two remote interior angle, which is X and R. So here we have angle MHG is equal to X plus R. So we have angle MHG to be equal to X plus, we are told that R is equal to 2X. So when we see R, we replace it by 2X. So here we have angle MHG to be equal to X plus 2X give us 3X. We have the value of angle MHG, which is 3X. So we place here by 3X. And we are also told that Y is also equal to 2X. So since here is Y and Y is represented by 2X, we know that vertical angles are equal. Angles that share the same vertex. So if here is 2X, here will also be 2X. So we have 2X here, we also have 2X here. Now, we can clearly see that our angle 110 degree is an exterior angle to 2X at point M and 3X at point H. So we know that the exterior angle is equal to the sum of the two remote interior angles. So know that, let me read that for the sake of simplicity. So for the sake of simplicity, the exterior angle is equal to the sum of the two remote interior angles. So in other words, we can say the exterior angle is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angle. So here we can clearly see that our 110 is equal to 2X plus 3X. So we have 110 is equal to 2X plus 3X. Therefore, we have 110 is equal to 2X plus 3X give us 5X. We want to find X because we are asked to find the value of X. So we divide both sides by 5. We divide both sides by 5. So here 5 times of 5, we have X is equal to 5 here 1 time, 5 here 22 times. So X is equal to 22 degrees. So this is the value of X. Please subscribe to this video if you like it, and please share it. I love you, but Jesus loves you most. Thank you for your time. See you in my next video.